Hi, this is Scott Scheffler with the BC Academy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update the Secure Zone re-authentication page to behave more adequately. Now, some of you might be thinking, what is the Secure Zone re-authentication page? Well, back in June, BC, relatively quietly, released an update to the system that now requires a user to re-enter their password before they can update any crucial account detail information. While this is a good update for security reasons, the BC team was forced to rush this update and left this function half broken. So I'm going to show you how to update it to fix the issues, make it more clear to the user, and provide a better user experience. So here we go. First, let me show you what happens now when you make updates to the Edit Details form. Here I have a basic Edit Details form, and I'm logged into my Secure Zone, and I'm going to make some updates. If I were just to update my name, you'll see this works fine, and it takes me to the confirmation page that says my details were updated successfully. But if I were to change my email address or password, it takes me to the Secure Zone re-authentication page. Now, there are three main issues I have with this page. First, the wording is not very clear and does not indicate specifically I need to re-enter my current password. If I were updating my password, I might think I need to re-enter or confirm my new password. The second major issue is that our out-of-the-box BC validation on this page does not work. If I were to click Enter, it takes me to the Secure Zone Access Denied page, which doesn't really make any sense as I'm already logged in and requires me to go back in my browser or start the process all over again. And the third major problem is if I do enter my password but mistype or enter my password incorrectly, it again takes me to the Secure Zone Access Denied page. So I have made some crucial updates to this page to help it function a little bit better. Let's first take a look at the end result. First, I have updated the wording on the page to be more clear. I have added, please re-enter your current password to clearly state we need the user to enter their current password. Next, if I were just to hit submit or enter a password less than 6 characters, I have some form validation and I'm not taken to the Secure Zone Access Denied page. And if I enter an incorrect password, I'm given an alert instead of again being taken to the Secure Zone Access Denied page. Lastly, for a little added finesse, when I do have a successful update, I'm taken back to my Edit Details form with a successful alert message. Okay, let's go over how to make these updates. The first important thing to know is that the new system page for Secure Zone re-authentication cannot be found via FTP or in the Develop tab. You must go to Site Manager, System Pages, and Secure Zone re-authentication. Because it's easier to see, I'm going to open this in my code editor where I have it pasted in. At the top of the document for this demo, you'll see I have added a CSS reset style sheet and my jQuery script. You'll most likely want to remove both of these when integrating on your actual site since you already have a set of styles set up. But I'm using this because I'm not using a template at all on my demo. And you'll most likely have jQuery installed as well. But if not, jQuery is required for this to work. Then to make it easy and to keep everything needed in one place, I've added some CSS to my document for the alert messages. But if you have your own alert messages with your theme or template, you can go ahead and integrate those. Next, I have my re-authentication form where I've stripped the form down only to the necessities for this demo, but you can update the form to fit with your framework or template if need be. You'll then see I've removed the output of the username from the BC default implementation because it is not necessary to submit the form and doesn't really provide any value to see it again. And I've added my alert markup to display an alert if an incorrect password is entered in. Moving down, I have my JavaScript validation, which will require a user to enter in a password and make sure the length is greater than 6 characters. And finally, I'm submitting the Secure Zone re-authentication form with Ajax, which will allow me to detect if the correct password has been entered in, and if not, show my alert, or else redirect me back to my Edit Details form. So I'm just going to copy this code and paste it into my system page in the admin interface, and we should be all set. The last thing I want to point out is that you'll notice on my redirect back to my Edit Details page, I have a parameter of status with the value set as success. If we now go to my Edit Details form, we'll again see for this demo, I only have my CSS reset and jQuery reference, and again I have my alert message. This is because if I have a successful update to my form, I want to show a success message. So if we look at my alert markup, it's similar to the alert on the re-authentication form, but this time I'm appending a global liquid tag that will detect if I have the URL parameter of status and output that value. So if I'm passing the parameter with a value of success, then success will output and therefore create my alert class and will show my successful alert message. So to show this all together one more time, if I update my email address or password, I'm taken to my Secure Zone re-authentication page, where I now have a more clearly stated message to the user. I have validation on my form that works, and I'm taken to my Edit Details form with a success message when I have successfully confirmed my details. Thank you for watching and supporting the BC Academy. Feel free to ask questions or to provide feedback in the comments below. This has been Scott Scheffler with another BC Academy tutorial.